Well, so from the looks of it, I thought I had the PTU plug all the way in. I'm going to say it's looking like that's not true right now. Let me stick my hand in there, see what I can get. Sort of getting it. So I spent the last 30 minutes trying to slide my hand down there just so I can reach and push it on like that. Easy peasy. Even put this one on all the way down. Popped it off. Yeah. Got a little screwdriver or just get that. There we go. Pop it off a little so I can get it. And I can pull it all the way off. Unlike I'm doing now. Stick my arms all in there, getting scratched up. Good thing I don't have big arms because there'd be no way I could do that. Well, keep trying and I'll get it.